ix-xufiera sabiex ma jixalux il-vetturi tagħhom qabel ma jiġu informati mill-membri tal-ekwipaġġ. Passengers traveling with the vehicle are requested to proceed to the car deck. We remind you not to start your engines until instructed by the ship's crew.
Signore e signori, i passeggeri che viaggiano con il loro veicolo sono pregati di proseguire in garage. Ricordiamo agli utenti di non avviare i motori finché non saranno avvisati dal personale di bordo.
Lost right now in fucking IKEA. I have no idea where everything is or anything. Finally, we had it now. Oh fucking day. Trying to find out. I'm late for stuff, so yeah, let's go pay. Buongiorno. Thank you. So, after an hour and a half going around in circles, trying to figure out from where the fuck I go to pay and find my family, I actually got out. Didn't spend that much. I bought a lamp, a mobile stand, and a motorizer. So, yeah. This view scares you.
We've drawn our lines across the land. We've built our walls with trembling hands.
Way back.
But beyond these borders, truth stands clear.
Fucking Harvey Specter type shit.
We share one heartbeat, living here. We are one planet under the sky. We are one planet, ready to try. We are one planet, never to die. We are one planet, learning to fly. Sparrows small. Every living soul wants the spinning ball. We fight for faith, we fight for pride. But the ground is slipping by our side. We are one planet under the sky. We are one planet, ready to try. We are one planet, never to